Good afternoon, everybody. So I've got some chicken thighs here and we are going to marinate them. This is basically the chicken that I made for our wedding. Okay, so the first thing that's going to go in is some sesame oil. Sorry, I'm trying to do this one-handed. Not the easiest. Next is some fish sauce. Just a couple of splashes. Some rice wine vinegar, a couple splashes. This is the only ginger I could find, squeezy ginger, so a nice hefty bit of that. Some sambal. I go through this stuff like nobody's business. Nice hefty amount. Splash of soy sauce. I'm gonna grate a couple of limes and juice them. Got about 5 garlic cloves. And then a little bit of brown sugar will go in. Okay, so it's all mixed up and you can see all the stuff in there. So we're just gonna let it marinate for about 4 hours and roast it at 400 degrees. And when it's all done, I'll show you what it looks like.